My name is Bert von Garrel. I am the CEO of StatSoft. We're from Hamburg in Germany. We have a sister company in Poland and some people in Denmark. StatSoft is a solution and service provider for statistical analytical software and solutions. We're supporting manufacturing companies, particularly in quality assurance and in their validated reporting areas. So everything involved with advanced analytics where we feel comfortable in. It is the first time that we are participating in PHARMAP, and we chose PHARMAP because of the audience and the participating companies that we are seeing here. Out of the manufacturing and packaging space in pharma manufacturing, so it's a relevant audience to us. Some of our clients are actually here, so we can connect to those clients that we already have, but of course also want to reach out to other opportunities, see what's happening in the space of manufacturing and also see how we can contribute to that. So we've been involved in advanced analytics for the last 30 years, and we've been focusing much on pharma analyses and manufacturing analyses since then. And I think we made all the way from fairly simple statistical work into the most complex work that you can have in pharmaceutical manufacturing. The development that we see is that it is moving into continuous improvement initiatives. It's moving into continuous process verification initiatives, and that's where we have been focusing most on lately, where most of our clients are asking us to support them with. And that is added by AI capabilities more and more, and machine learning capabilities, the ability to bring data together and analyze data for the benefit of better decisions, for the benefit of better reaction time, for the benefit of higher quality, for the benefit of lower non-quality and cost associated with that. That's where we focused on. Particularly with that AI capability, there's a lot more to come. That's a good twofold question, because when I started heading the company like 4.5 years ago, still there was a lot of paperwork involved, both from our clients, from our internal processes, and what we've been working on since is a full digitization journey, because we felt that not only is paper a waste of resource, it is also a waste of time, and to produce it and to print it and everything is just a waste of resource. Yet, and we are working in a hybrid environment where we are just not all of the time in the office anymore. So we want people to be able to seamlessly work with tools, with digital processes, the way we want ourselves to work in the private life even sometimes. So we took our own medicine first and started doing what we want to do with our clients first. So how can we be trusted with our solutions and with our processes if we don't know how to do it ourselves? And that's what we did successfully. There's almost no paper anymore. We do everything digital. We have everything in a secure way, and a very, very and also auditable way, organized. And then that means also the clients we can help the clients doing the same things. Even though they have much more complex environments. And what I do see is that we can help them a lot with using the data that they have. Whatever the data is, we don't really care about the nature of the data. What we do believe in is that data will help you make better decisions. The data will help you have better processes. The data will help you to have higher quality. And that makes the product better, and that helps saving patients' lives and also making sure that patients get the quality they need for the treatment. So we feel that we have a certain contribution on that, and quality is no longer just a compliant issue. Quality is a lever for steering your company in the right direction in terms of quality. Our personal manager has been guiding us from the beginning of us deciding for the PHARMAP to creating the presentation that I was giving, and where we were participating as a company, as hosting the roundtable and then discussing things together with other contributors and speakers from the beginning. And she's been sometimes even pushing ourselves a little bit towards let's get this done, let's get prepared so we are all set. So sometimes she was our rhythm stick into getting things done, because we have everything else to do, of course. So that's ultimately what also brought us here prepared in a good way. And on the conference, she really also helped us to get started, get organized, get meetings. She helped us, helped me getting into contact with other participants of the conference. And that I liked a lot. So she took care of what is important to me. Professionally organized, very sympathetic team. Leaning towards my needs, trying to take care of these. And it's a great venue. It's a great organization, and it's a diverse topic and lineup of people. So very interesting to be here.